Turn any knife into a razor in just 1 minute. Using an old battery. Hello, nice to see you again on Great Tips channel. You will be surprised to know that with just an old battery and a little toothpaste, you can completely turn a dull knife into a razor-sharp one in just 1 minute. Sounds like a joke, but this is a very simple secret and has been successfully applied by many people. In the kitchen, the knife is an indispensable assistant. There is a saying, even the best chef cannot cook well with a dull knife. Dull knives are not only frustrating, they can make cooking time consuming, inaccurate, and ruin your dish. Ever struggled to cut a tomato and the juices splattered and the slices fell apart? Don't worry. With just a few simple steps and the little trick in this video, you'll have your sharpness back in no time. No need to buy a whetstone, no need to go to the store. Discover the extremely effective, economical, and easy-to-do secret to revive any dull knife at home. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, get some toothpaste. Any kind will do. Open the lid and squeeze some out. Apply a small amount to the edge of the kitchen knife blade. Then use a cotton swab to spread the toothpaste evenly over the entire blade. Toothpaste is a common everyday hygiene product, but it has a surprising effect in sharpening knives. It contains tiny abrasive particles. Although very fine, these particles still have a certain amount of friction. When applied to a dull knife, these abrasive particles act as micro-grinding tools, gently removing small scratches and worn areas on the blade due to long-term use without damaging the knife surface. It acts as a light polish and initial restorer, helping to smooth the knife surface and prepare it for the next sharpening step. Next, prepare an old battery. Peel off the plastic outer shell. Don't underestimate this old battery. It's a great knife sharpener. Now, use the metal case of the battery to sharpen the knife. Just sharpen in one direction at a steady speed. Hold the battery at an angle of about 20 degrees to the blade. During grinding, the metal surface of the battery comes into contact with the blade, which helps remove remaining debris and smooth out worn areas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Since the battery case is quite hard, it creates moderate friction when it comes into contact with the blade. With constant movement, the sharpness of the knife will gradually be restored. By polishing first with toothpaste, then fine-tuning with an old battery, the kitchen knife will regain its excellent sharpness, be easy to use again, and be ready to handle everyday kitchen tasks, such as cutting vegetables. Where are you from? Leave a comment and let me know. Just polish each side of the knife for 1 minute and you're done. The knife will be razor sharp. With regular use, kitchen knives often accumulate grease and develop stubborn stains or rust. But there is a simple and effective cleaning method that will keep your knives looking like new. First, prepare a tray or box large enough to hold the entire knife. Make sure every part of the knife can be immersed in the cleaning solution. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface of the knife. Baking soda is a star in the cleaning world. It has excellent disinfecting properties and can easily break down and remove grease buildup on blades. After covering with baking soda, slowly add white vinegar. White vinegar is very effective in softening stubborn stains. It can dissolve hard dirt stuck on the knife surface. When baking soda and white vinegar are combined, a powerful chemical reaction occurs. They react to create a lot of bubbles. These air bubbles continuously rise like tiny cleaning guards, helping to loosen and remove all kinds of stains on the knife, bringing high cleaning efficiency. Soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, the solution has taken effect. Get a toothbrush. The bristles should be soft but firm. When scrubbing the knife, apply light pressure to increase friction. Use a brush to gently scrub both sides of the blade, all the way to the edge. Don't miss any corner. Even if the knife is rusty, you can gradually remove it by rubbing it repeatedly with a brush. The knife will be shiny as new. After these simple cleaning steps, any grease and dirt on the knife will disappear, restoring its shine and cleanliness. Now, rinse the knife thoroughly with clean water. Wow! The kitchen knife now shines like a mirror. Water slides off the blade. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Dry with a towel. And that's not all. After being carefully polished, the knife becomes extremely sharp. It can even cut hair. Use a knife to cut tomatoes. The tomato slices are evenly and beautifully cut with each slice. No need to drag the knife back and forth like before. The tomato flesh remains fresh. There is almost no tomato juice oozing out. Each slice retains its full amount of juice inside. With just one smooth cut, the tomato fell neatly. What a visual feast! If you use this knife to cut paper, it is even easier, like a hot knife cutting butter. Just a light swipe, the paper is cut cleanly. The cut is smooth and neat. The effect is really impressive. If you use this knife to cut paper, it is even easier, like a hot knife cutting butter. Just a light swipe, the paper is cut cleanly. The cut is smooth and neat. The effect is really impressive. That's the end of the video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. If you found the video helpful, please like to support the channel. Don't forget to share this great tip with your friends and family. They might need it too. And remember to subscribe to Great Tips channel so you don't miss out on any more interesting videos. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next video.